Itaca products are recommended to experts for professional aesthetic use. Rose Essentialis clears away heat and anxiety and reduces anxiety and depression. It is related to the sacral chakra, the center of creativity and sexuality. A gentle way to help give spiritual meaning to the world. Mint is effective in preventing blood clotting and is effective in relieving pain and headaches such as migraines. It is also effective in the stomach. Tea tree has strong antiseptic properties and is suitable for acne-prone skin. It also stimulates healthy cells to revitalize them. It will be a great help in continuing. Cypress as it not only helps with blood movement but also promotes energy circulation. Very useful for people who have lost their sense of anger and calm.is. According to Chinese Oriental medicine, myrrh is effective for chronic ulcers, wounds, respiratory infections, and mentally exhausted people. Harmonizes the mind by uniting the mind and body as when it does it for you. Lemon oil is toxic and bacterial, prevents growth and inflammation of skin tissue because it removes necessary moisture, inflammation, allergies, etc., alleviates symptoms of mutism, etc. Grapefruit improves the flow of lymph and increases metabolism, removes unnecessary moisture and waste from the lining of the stomach. Helps people with pulse or edema and helps with obesity and cellulite. It has been proven to be highly effective in preventing and resolving mullite.